Good morning, everyone, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today, I am honored to speak on the occasion of India's Independence Day, celebrated every year on 15th August. On this day in 1947, India became free after nearly 200 years of British rule. Millions of brave freedom fighters sacrificed their lives so that we could live in a free and independent nation. We remember and salute great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Sarojini Naidu, and many other heroes whose courage gave us freedom. Our national flag, the Tiranga, is a symbol of our pride and unity. The saffron color represents courage and sacrifice, white stands for peace and truth, green symbolizes growth and prosperity. And the Ashoka Chakra reminds us to keep moving forward with honesty and justice. Freedom is not only about living in an independent country, it also means being responsible citizens. We should respect our constitution, follow the law, protect our environment, help others, and work hard to make India stronger and better. As students, we can serve our nation by studying sincerely, being disciplined, respecting our teachers and parents, and treating everyone with kindness and equality. Let us remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and promise to make India a nation that is educated, united, peaceful, and prosperous. Jai Hind, happy Independence Day to everyone. Thank you.